Hello everyone, welcome to the MAKHAN'S cooking. Today we are making a delicious and crispy Mirchi Pakoda. First take green chilies and wash them properly. Make a slit in the middle of each chili and carefully remove all the seeds. First take sesame seeds and grind them into a fine powder. Then add turmeric, amchur powder and salt and grind everything together into a smooth paste. Now take the chilies that we slit earlier and carefully fill them with this tangy and spicy turmeric filling. Now let's prepare the pakoda batter. Take a bowl and add gram flour, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, ajwain, cumin powder, coriander powder, baking soda and salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Now gradually add water and keep mixing until you get a smooth, thick and lump-free batter. The batter should be thick enough to coat our stuffed chilies beautifully. Now comes my favorite part. Take each stuffed chili and dip it completely into the besan batter. Make sure the chili gets a nice, even coating. Now carefully drop it into hot oil and let it fry on medium heat. Listen to that sizzle. Fry the Mirchi Pakodas until they turn crispy, golden brown and beautifully crunchy from the outside. And just look at them. That golden, crispy coating from the spicy and tangy filling inside, absolutely mouth-watering. Once they are perfectly fried, take them out and let the excess oil drain. And finally, our delicious Mirchi Pakodas are ready. If you love crispy and spicy snacks, you definitely have to try this recipe. Do try it, enjoy every bite, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the MAKHAN'S cooking. See you in the next delicious recipe. Bye bye.